Welcome to my video. If you are new, make sure you like, share and subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to show you Guess Factory Canada latest discount deals coupon that will help you to save money. Check out my YouTube video description. 15, 10, 20% off discount coupon, also 20% off, even more discount, free shipping you will get. Click the shop now button. It will take you to the official website and give you the discount that will help you to save money. And if you need coupon code like this for any website, check my YouTube video description, second link. And if you search here with any website name, you will get coupon code like this. So thanks for watching. Buy the best product with the discount price. See you again into the next video.